getting a drink of water? Okay, I'm going to attempt to get video of Riley doing her super fast recalls. Right now she went in the kennel to get water. Riley, come and see here. Ah, that's good. Okay, go. Riley, come and see here. Sit. That's good. Okay, free. See, she's doing pretty good. She's running. Riley, come and see here. Sit. See you good. See you good. Okay, I'm just going to stop this video and go. She's standing next to me, not sure if she should run. She's having a brain fart. There we go, much better. Alright, I'm going to stop this and get it sent over to you.